2011 F150, 6-speed transmission, a 6R80, I believe it is. Okay, what is happening here? Got check engine light on, and what we got? Park is showing. Okay, ignition is on.
Yeah.
Put it in reverse. Reverse disappears. Neutral. Drive. M2 1. Back up to park. Okay, park is not showing.
It won't start neither.
Do it again. Park. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Go back up to park. Okay, turn ignition off. Ignition back on. Park is showing. Okay, go to reverse. Goes away. Okay, go back up to park. See if it starts a bit. Just bump it. No start. Okay, turn ignition off. Put it back on. Is park showing?
Give it a second.
Okay, showing now. Bump it a bit. Turn around. Alright. So when that park doesn't light up, it doesn't start. But if you move to reverse, it goes out and go back over to park. Then try to start it.
Nothing.
Won't start, and then transmission don't act right when that happens. Okay, has a code. All right, let's go. All right.
See your scanner now or what?
I'm gonna go back up. Okay, where are we? We're here to the scanner. Diagnostic and control unit. PCM. What is the code? Read code. This is for this F150 that we just saw. The Prndl wasn't working. Ignition on, Billy?
Yeah.
Okay. This thing taking so long. Is that connected? Let me see if it's connected. The blue lights on there?
Yeah, the park light.
No, on that thing down under the diagnostic connector.
Yeah, they're all lit up. 3 of them.
3.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Blue.
All right, we see it here.
Green one went out.
All right. Let's have a whole bunch of codes here, but the code that it had was the P01702 code, transmission range switch circuit intermittent. Okay, but it have other codes here, but the code that it was showing the most at first was the P01702. Okay. There's various other codes right here. Those codes were because of something I did, but it's a 1702 code. Okay, escape. And let's go to live data. Okay, transmission range. Okay, it's in park, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go to reverse.
Reverse. No light.
So no light, and it didn't show reverse. What it showed was overdrive. Go to neutral.
Neutral.
Now it showed neutral, but it didn't show reverse. And go to drive.
Drive.
Now it shows drive. Go to manual.
Manual.
Okay, go back. It shows neutral when it should be manual. Go back to neutral.
Neutral.
And go back to reverse.
Reverse.
It shows drive when it should be showing reverse. So go to park.
Park.
It has light on
No.
and no light, but still show park, but it won't show reverse. Okay, go back to reverse.
Reverse.
Light off.
Yeah.
Okay, so it shows overdrive, light off, no reverse. Okay, now pan down right here on this 6-speed transmission. The neutral safety switch is right here. Right here. Now I'm going to try something real quick to verify if that thing is malfunctioning. Okay, here, Tony, hold this right here. I'm going to take that plug out. We got the plug here. And where's the other one? I got one of these sitting here that is a good one. We have a good one here. I'm going to plug this into the plug on the outside of the transmission. Alright, so we got this on here. We got this hooked onto the outside. This is a known good one. And these notches here is park, reverse, neutral, drive, and so forth. And it's lined up with here. So it's park, right?
Yep. Reverse. Neutral.
Lit up?
Drive. Man. 2. 1. Second. Park. Reverse. Park. Reverse. Park. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Reverse. Drive. Nothing. Manual. Second. First.
Okay. Do you see this, Tony, here?
Yeah.
These right here?
I see the marks.
I want you to move this to the mark so I can get a picture of it up there, of it working. This, okay. Get up here. Okay, Tony is gonna move that down there. Okay, go ahead, Tony. Wait a
That
minute.
should be park.
No.
Turn the key on.
It's on. That's
Neutral.
neutral.
Drive.
Drive. Manual. 2. 1. That's over. Is that park on?
No.
Go
reverse.
over. Go over. That's
Park.
okay. Go. You was at park. Reverse. Go over back to park. Slide it right there. Park. Okay. Reverse. Neutral. Drive. Manual. You went the other way. Okay. So that's working. Let me look on the scanner. See if it's reading. Oh. Wow. I gotta get down here.
Then reverse, Tony.
Yeah, that's good. We'll see it on the scanner.
Park.
Trans range. All right, go ahead, Tony. Let me see where we in. Okay, where are you? Where are you? Where is? Okay, go ahead. That's park.
Reverse.
Reverse is showing now.
Neutral.
No, yeah, neutral.
Drive.
Drive. Yep.
Manual.
Yep. Show manual. Yep.
Second.
Yep.
First.
That's it. Okay. So what Tony is doing, again, he's moving this one here that we have connected to the outside of the transmission. This is a known good part right here, and the other one is up here, up under this valve body. So the valve body got to come down. So we know this thing here is malfunctioning. So that's what got to be fixed. So we get to taking this out and fixing it.